Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the Mac and starting safe mode. For Apple Silicon Macs, shut down, then press and hold the power button until startup options appear. For Intel Macs, restart and hold Shift. You do this to limit drivers and fonts loaded, which helps isolate issues. Once done, log in with your admin account. Make sure to allow time for system checks to finish. If File Vault is enabled, you may need to unlock the disk before safe mode completes its diagnostic boot. Once in safe mode, you perform focused diagnostics. You'll notice slower graphics and disabled extensions. Use this behavior to determine if third-party texts or agents cause problems. Open Activity Monitor to spot runaway processes and Console to collect crash logs. Run Disk Utility First Aid to repair permissions or disk errors. Then check users and groups login items and /library/launch agents for problematic entries. If an app still crashes in safe mode, you've likely found a kernel or system. To finish, restart the Mac normally and verify whether the issue is resolved. This confirms safe mode narrowed the cause. If problems persist, remove suspicious apps, clear login items, reset NVRAM/SMC on Intel Macs, or reinstall macOS while preserving data. Make sure to back up before major steps. If you cannot exit safe mode or it keeps returning, check for a stuck shift key, confirm no firmware password is blocking normal boot, and contact Apple support if hardware diagnostics indicate deeper faults.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.